ignition temperature. With the help of an activity, we have learnt that air is necessary for burning. Now let us perform one more activity to confirm this. Place a burning charcoal on an iron plate, and cover it with a glass jar. After some time, you will observe that charcoal stops burning, as no air is available for burning. Thus, from these two activities, we conclude air is necessary for combustion. You must have heard that, when the clothes of a person catch fire, the person is covered with a blanket to extinguish fire, because the blanket stops the supply of air required for burning. One more factor, essential for burning, is ignition temperature. It is the lowest temperature at which a substance catches fire. To understand the concept, recall some of your experiences. A matchstick does not catch fire on its own at room temperature. Due to friction between the surface of the matchbox and the head of the matchstick, heat is produced. When the matchstick is rubbed on the matchbox, this helps to ignite the matchstick. You can burn a paper by bringing a burning matchstick near it, whereas, to start fire in wood, you have to use paper or kerosene oil. This indicates that ignition temperature of wood is higher than that of paper. Therefore, wood requires more heat for burning. Tom has read in the newspaper about the forest fires. He came to know that, due to the extreme heat in summer, the temperature of dry grass increases and reaches to its ignition temperature. So, grass catches fire, which spreads to the trees, and very soon, the whole forest is on fire. You must have seen that kerosene and wood do not catch fire on their own at room temperature. But, if kerosene oil is heated a little, it will catch fire, whereas, if wood is heated a little, it would still not catch fire. It means that ignition temperature of kerosene oil is lower than that of wood. Therefore, we must take special care in storing kerosene oil. All these examples tell us that different substances catch fire at different temperatures. Thus, it is essential for a substance to reach ignition temperature to burn. That is, a combustible substance cannot catch fire or burn as long as its temperature is lower than its ignition temperature. Let us learn more about ignition temperature by performing an activity. Make 2 paper cups by folding a sheet of paper. Pour about 50 milliliters of water in one of the cups. Heat both the cups separately with a candle. You will observe that the empty cup starts burning very soon, whereas the paper cup with water does not burn. Moreover, on further heating, the water in the cup starts boiling. The reason is, the heat supplied to the paper cup is transferred to water by conduction. So, due to the presence of water in the paper cup, the paper does not reach its ignition temperature. Hence, we can infer that it is essential for a substance to reach its ignition temperature to burn. Moreover, the substances which have very low ignition temperature and can easily catch fire with a flame are called inflammable substances. For example, petrol, alcohol, LPG, and many household cleaners are inflammable substances.